Alright, hello everyone. We are back again for a new challenge. This time it's gonna be a SSH challenge trouble fixing. So as usual, I'm gonna read with you the challenge. So it's Seal from the easy level challenge. It's a fix in the subject SSH. So if you are a pro user, you cannot SSH directly into the virtual machine. Click the open the server terminal button to use the web browser instead. SSH seems broken in this server. The user has an ID SSH key there in their .ssh directory with the public key. But SSH won't work. So we're gonna run this challenge first. So my idea, it's classic. We are a sysadmin user. What we're gonna do is let me just fix that. I'm gonna bring the timer here. Perfect. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna start. So the idea is to first run the command to see what's not working, and from there we're gonna use the logs to see where is the issue, what is the issue, and then fix the issue. Okay, so we're gonna SSH on my. So we're trying basically to see to SSH to our own user, same as my machine, as you can see here. So if I do SSH Salimsky localhost, yes, it I wanted to say it works, but it doesn't work. Blah, blah, blah. If I exit, as you can see, it left the SSH terminal and came back to my terminal. If I exit again, it's gonna close the terminal. Perfect. So this is exactly what we want. So we're gonna start with that. So SSH localhost. Localhost is the equivalent of this IP address here. So I'm gonna do. Oh, my bad. What's that? Clear. SSH. Yes. Permission denied. All right. So we do have the issue. So fail to add the host to the list of known hosts. Okay, let's see. CD SSH. We're gonna change the directory to SSH to see. So we have permission denied, even though we are. So let's see. Let's see what are the permissions first that have been configured before us. So I cannot do anything. Can we sudo? Yes, we can sudo. I think we might need just to sudo in order to fix the issue. So admin, we are admin. Like, I don't know why. Oh. Okay, we can only the super user can read and write. Alright, so we're gonna what we're gonna do is keymod what is the I know there is like special permission code for public keys in SSH folder. Yeah, so basically what we want in a classic I'm gonna just put it here. When we do configurations on SSH folders for like multiple user, whatever, SSH folder has to be this. It has to have these permissions. your public key for your user has to be like that, and your private key should be like that. Also, authorized key, config, etc, etc. So, because when we do SSH, it's gonna check for the permissions, and if the permissions are not correct, it's gonna just throw errors. So our mission is to make sure it's exactly well configured. So I'm gonna put the terminal on the left side so you can see, guys. Not this one. All right. So from there, we're gonna the folder has the right. No, first sudo 700 for the SSH. Perfect. If you run the command again, we have the right configuration. So we're gonna do same thing for authorized key. Authorized key works. Public key is different. So sudo cmod, we're gonna do 644, and we're gonna change our public key ID. .pub, perfect. And we're gonna do the same thing for our private key. So let's see, our private key, it should look like this. Read and write. Read and write. Perfect. Authorized key, read and write. Where is read and write? Authorized key, read and write, read and write. Perfect. And home folder. I'm gonna check it out after, but it's not the main thing. So if we do SSH again, normally it should work. I don't think I'll have to do. Let's see, for the home folder, ls home folder, it has this. Let's try first to SSH to see if it's working. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, it worked. Perfect. I don't think it was necessary to do it. So I think, yeah, we just resolved the challenge. I'm just gonna run the script to see if it's done on our side. Check. Perfect. So we've just finished the challenge of this SSH. Basically, why? Like, how did I do to find the solution? My first hint, because I already faced that before, when you do your, like, as a Unix sysadmin, Linux sysadmin, you have to do like you have to set up the permission on your folders, your files, whatever. Depends on the company, what they need, what they want, blah blah. And when you call the SSH command, it's gonna look for files, like to see if because it's gonna, for instance, if you SSH to a machine, it's gonna use your public key. But like, as an admin, I was not able to call that file because there was not the right permissions. That's why it was denied. So what did I do? What I did, sorry, it's just to change the permissions so that when I call again SSH command as an admin, I was able to read, because I had this read. I think this is for group and this is for my user. So I had this for. Yeah, I had this read token working in order to perform the command, and it worked. So if we do exit, it's gonna exit our SSH session and exit again to finish the challenge. So we're just gonna complete it here. Check my solution. Perfect. Et voila. So thank you for watching again. I'll keep doing this kind of videos every day in order to just practice my skills. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.